You're watching the Daily Market Comment at XM.com by Rafi Boyatian. I'm Cristina Marujos. The U.S. Federal Reserve carried out its first overnight repo operation for the first time since the financial crisis after short-term borrowing costs surged to 10% on Tuesday. The Fed has confirmed it will hold another repo operation today to inject a further $75 billion into the financial system. But while the central bank was successful in calming markets yesterday, some analysts think a bigger policy response might be required by policymakers. Overnight rates have come back down, and the volatility was confined to money markets, though some traders contributed the dollar's losses to some expectations that the Fed might have to start expanding its balance sheet again. The US dollar was steady against the yen, but was up against the basket of currencies on Wednesday after falling sharply yesterday on the back of a strong rebound in the euro and the pound. The Fed is due to announce its latest policy decision at 6 o'clock GMT and is widely expected to cut rates. But with a 25 basis points rate cut being a near certainty, investors will focus on the Fed's updated economic projections as well as the predicted path of interest rates over the coming period. The dot plot is likely to lay bare the divisions within the Fed. If the market sense FOMC members are not converging to a more dovish viewpoint and expectations of additional rate cuts are cast into doubt, Treasury yields are likely to jump higher, lifting the dollar. Investors will also be watching Chairman Jerome Powell's press conference and his response to this week's turmoil in U.S. money markets. There was some positive news as oil market appeared to be returning to normal. Both Brent and WTI oil have now almost fully reversed Monday's spike when Saudi Arabia's largest oil processing facility was hit by drones and missile strikes. Iran is suspected to be behind the attacks, but the United States restrained response and the announcement yesterday by Saudi Arabia's energy minister that the country will restore output by the end of the month eased fears of major supply shortages. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com.